For this video, I am going to have a beginner's guide to Xero. So if you are new to accounting software or just getting started with Xero, you've come to the right place. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using Xero so you can manage your finances with ease. So before we start, I am just going to describe what Xero is first. So Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that helps small businesses manage their finances, everything from invoicing and payroll to expenses and even bank reconciliation. So it is user friendly and designed to simplify your bookkeeping tasks. So now let's start by signing up to Xero. So you just need to go to xero.com and then just hit this try Xero for free if you haven't created an account yet here in Xero, and then just log in or create an account with your details and with your credentials. So after that, once done, once you have logged in to access your dashboard. So this is the dashboard. And in this dashboard or on this section, you'll be able to see all of your information in one place. So for example, I have here the bank details, invoices you owed or owed to you, total cash in, cash out, the bills you need to pay, accounts wash list, tax, and reporting. So that's basically all that you can see here in dashboard, but it is highly helpful for you if you wanted to see all of your transaction, or not all, most of your activities here in dashboard. So that's it. So now on the upper part of your dashboard, you should be able to see this different sections right here on the upper left part. So after dashboard, you have business, accounting, projects, and contacts. So now on the business section, you'll be able to see, once you've clicked on it, this drop down menu will appear. So in here, this is where you can access all of your day-to-day activities or transactions. So for example, right here, you can see your short-term cash flows, business snapshot. You can create your invoices or access your invoices in this section, online payments, quotes, sales overview, bills to pay, purchase orders, purchase overview, expense claims, products and services, and pay run. So that's basically it. Again, it is like this is where you can access all of your day-to-day transactions or day-to-day activities in Xero. So now for the accounting section, this is where you can access all of the more advanced section or accounting section here in Xero. So you can access also here your bank accounts, the reports, advanced profit and loss, sales tax reports, charts of accounts, fixed access. So that's that. Now for the projects, if you have an paid account or paid account, you can be able to access this feature right here or utilize this feature. So if you want to create or you want to have this section or feature for your Xero account, you need to have a paid account. So under here, you have all projects, time entry, staff time overview, staff permissions, and staff cost rates. Now for the contacts, this is highly helpful when you want to have contacts to your clients or to your customers in one go. So you can access all of that right here. So you can access your contacts, your customers, and also your suppliers, by the way. Now on the right side part of your screen, you'll also be able to access this plus icon right here. So now you can utilize this plus icon if you wanted to create something here in Xero. So once you click on it, this downward menu will appear again, or this drop down menu will appear. So you can create here your invoice, your bill, contact quote, purchase orders, money, receive money, transfer money, and there you now, if by the way, you can still access this plus icon, all of this section right here, even if you are in the other pages or sections here in Xero. So for example, I'm going to click on to the invoices. Then as you can see, you still can access all of this on the upper part of your screen. So that is highly convenient. So let us go back to your dashboard. Now on the next section, you'll be able to see this search icon right here. This is or you can utilize this if you want to search something here in Xero. So you can search for contacts, transactions, and other descriptions. So that's that. Now for the notifications, you can access that in here. And then if you want to help or if you need help in Xero and you're having trouble with something, you can just search that on the section right here and reach out to the support or help support the Xero. Now on this one, this is where you can access the different apps that you can integrate or use with Xero. So you have Stripe, Deputy, Shopify, even Shopify. So if you want to use other or third-party apps and tools, you can just access that in here. So you have also here popular categories. You have invoicing and jobs, time tracking, and so on. Now, if you want to access your profile, click that on the or situated on the upper right corner of your screen. You can go to your profile, you can access your account details, and also if you want to log out, you can do that on this section. Now, one of the first few things that you want to do is to connect your bank account to Xero. So this will allow you to automatically import transactions, saving you time and reducing errors. So simply go to the business right here, and you need or I'm sorry, go to the accounting section and then head over to bank accounts. And then once you are in here, you'll be able to see this add bank account. Click onto it, and then you just need to go through the process. So first, just search for your bank account, fill in your details, and again, just go through the process that you need to do for it to be able to successfully connect your bank account here in Xero. Now let's look at how to create and send invoices here in Xero. So just head over to the business section right here and go to the invoices. So just locate that from the drop down menu, and in here, this is where you can create new invoice, new credit notes, send statements, import your data or import invoices, export them, and so on. Now click to the new invoice, and then this is where you can, or this is the section where you can create new invoices for your suppliers. Right here, you can add this different details right here to the issue date, due date, invoice number, reference. You can even set up your online payments on this section. So you can also add here the currency amounts, the item description, quantity, price, account, tax rate, and the amount of it. Now you can also add files if you want to do that. You can upload files if if that will be helpful, or that is a required information for your invoice. So once you have done that, you can just save and close it. You can also preview it if you want to by hitting this preview button situated on the upper right part of your screen. Save and close it. And also, if you click this downward arrow right here, you can also opt to submit it for approval or approve an email. Also right here, approve and add another, approve, get a link, approve, and print PDF. So by the way, that is also one of the feature that you can have or you have here in Xero. So if you're creating your invoice, you can just export it and print it as a PDF and send it using an external communication with your customers, with your suppliers, and so on. Managing expenses in Xero is just as simple. So again, you can go to the business section right here, and under that, go to purchase orders. So this is a section where you can create purchase orders for your suppliers. So click add new purchase order right here, and then you can add contact, the date, delivery date, order number, reference, and just fill in basically all of the informations or descriptions that you need to have in your purchase order. So you can save it. Once you click onto this downward arrow again, you can save and continue editing, save and submit for approval, save and add other. And you can also opt to approve it if you click this button right here, and you can also opt to add or to approve and add another, or you can just cancel it, and you can even add a note if you want to. So now, one of the few features or the important features of Xero is being able to reconcile your bank transaction. So reconciliation is again a crucial part of keeping your books accurate. So Xero makes this easy by allowing you to match your transactions from your bank feed to those in your account. So just go to reconcile. So once you have connected your account or your bank account, then you'll be able to see this reconcile items right here. So since I don't have any transactions yet in my account, then I won't be able to show that to you. But again, you can just click this reconcile 33 items, and then if you can see it in an or okay button, in the center part of your screen, that means that Xero is suggesting something to you. So you can just double check manually all of the informations if they are correct. And if you see a green transaction, that means that a transaction is created in Xero, and then you can just reconcile it on your own and also set up the accounts based on what you need here in Xero. So finally, Xero also provides powerful reporting tools. So to get a clear picture of your business's performance, you can run reports like profit and loss or balance sheet. So simply navigate to the accounting right here, and under accounting, it should be the second option right there. Go to the reports, and then you'll be able to see all of this informations right here for your business. So again, you have here profit and loss, sales tax reports, and so on. So you can just select whatever you need here and just create, or Xero will create your report automatically for you. So that's a wrap. So that's basically it. That is the basics, or those are the basics of using Xero. So with these tools, you are well aware, or you're well on your own to managing your finances like a pro. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.